Diego, this is at the Herzberg Hideaway where you made your snowman. You're looking at a High Plains power truck right here, and next to it, behind the bushes, is another High Plains power truck. And the guys are working hard. And the next one is a ladder truck, or whatever they're called. Maybe Dad can tell you exactly what they're called. But if you look up on the telephone pole, you can see the guy is up there fixing the wires that are connected to the Herzberg Hideaway. This is just the start of our adventure. We're going to go a little farther down the road and see more stuff going on. Again, back through the trucks. White trucks. Big white trucks. I think I'm going to stop now.